child, right? Not very good. So, my name is Malcolm Fitzgerald. I'm from Vancouver, in Canada. I taught biology for many years. My training actually is in genetics, but in recent years I've become much more interested in the environment. And I've taught about environmental issues, environmental problems in Canada and also here. This is my fourth time to come to Kangaku, to the Sanda campus. And I'm very happy to be here. It's always nice to be here on campus. And one of my major interests is what I'm going to be talking to you about this afternoon. So I'll give you a little handout here so you can follow it. Thank you. The word biodiversity refers to all plants and animals and all aspects of plants and animals. So it refers to ecosystems. You're all familiar with that? Have you all taken human ecology? Have you taken human ecology? Yeah, yeah. So you know what an ecosystem is? It's the biggest subdivision of this planet. So biodiversity includes ecosystems. It includes individual types of plants and animals. And it also includes the genetic makeup of these plants and animals. So one simple example is in Canada we have what are called American black bears. We also have grizzly bears, but I'm talking about black bears. The black bear looks like the Tsukinoa guma in Japan, but it doesn't have the white. And some of the bears are very black. The ones where I live are completely black. But there are other colors in British Columbia, where I come from. Black ones, there's brown ones, there's bluish ones, have a bluish color, and there are white ones. And the white ones are very rare, and they're not polar bears. They're different from polar bears. The white ones are found on the west coast of British Columbia, in the islands of the west coast of British Columbia. So there's 4 different colors, 4 different types of bears, black bears. They're not all black, right? But that's an unfortunate name. They're called black bears, but they're 4 different types of American black bears. So what I'm talking about here is there's genetic variability. Okay? There's different genes. It's the same with eye color. If you go to Sweden, people have blue eyes. Right? Go to Japan, come to Japan, people have brown eyes. So there's variation. And biodiversity includes that genetic variation. What are some other examples, Matsumura Sensei, of genetic variation? Rice, types of rice.
Yes.
Varieties of rice would be a good one. Yeah. And people are...
インディカ米とかね。インディカライスとかジャポニカライス。
Right.
different.
Yeah, and people are interested in making sure that there are many different types of rice strains, different strains of rice. Because if you only have one type and a disease comes along, it will wipe it all out. And if you have many types, then there's a good chance that the rice can adapt. Adaptation.